Twinkle, Christmas star, shining brightly from afar. Yay!
Woohoo!
That was that special star from a long time ago. What did Mary do with the donkey? I forgot.
Ride it.
Oh, that's right. Can we get out our donkeys? Mary found your donkey. We're going to tell you where Bethlehem is. Are you ready? Mary rode the donkey, the donkey, the donkey. Mary rode the donkey all the way to
Bethlehem.
And what did Joseph do?
He walked.
Are you ready to walk? Joseph walked